The role of IVD in the continuum of care is really essential to enable the continuum of care in its entire expansion. From the prevention to the early detection phases, IVD are playing really an essential role to detect very early the possible diseases and to treat them, let me say, when they are not too complex and less expensive. Then to the really diagnostic phase where being super specialized in the different techniques, but being even able to integrate the different techniques and sectors, it's today really the most important challenge. To the treatment, both inside the hospital and outside the hospital, as well to the other phases of the continuum of care, like the follow-up, the rehab, and the end of life, to continuously monitor the patient condition. So really IVD is playing an essential role in delivering value to all the healthcare ecosystem stakeholders, from the person and its family, the healthcare professionals, as well the healthcare organization, the healthcare system, both regional or national, as well to the whole society. So IVD is very, very important. I think marketing can play its own role in the green strategy, at least in the greener approach to marketing. As Dedalus, we declared our commitment to become carbon neutral by 2030. And I'm really convinced that as marketing, we have to do something. So we decided some small actions, let me say, not changing the world, but small actions in this direction. The first one is avoid to have gadgets, giveaways, and just providing for each leads scanned a donation to plant a tree all over the world accordingly to the nations from where the clients are coming. The second action is to avoid to print out brochures and other materials, really to save paper, ink, energy, waste, and whatever. And the third action is really about to avoid even the business cards. So having just virtual business cards that not only are respectful of the overall planet, but even are much more effective because it's not just a replica of a paper business card, but they have functions. So it's not only for the sake of the planet, which is important, but even introducing more functionalities. So small steps, but I really believe that it's the strategy to follow. Small steps, but in a strategy in the medium term, really to support the motto of Dedalus of healthy people in healthy planet.